bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. In the fields we go, laughing all the way, ha ha ha. Bells like bobtails ring, letting spirits fly. Oh, what fun it is to ride and sing sleighing song tonight. Oh, if you guys want to go check out the intro that the Domar family made, my go check them out. They made a pretty cool video, and I was in it in the video, which was pretty cool. And yeah, go check their go check that video out. I'll try to put the video in the link below. But I wanted to, that's not what I came here for. I came here to try these candy canes. Now these are Sour Patch Kids. And in honor of Christmas, I would like to taste them. And they're so cute. They're going to make Sour Patch Kids pop soon. That's what I heard. I really want them. So there's 3 flavors. I believe there's 3 flavors. Hold on. This one, I'm guessing this is orange. So this is, how do you guys eat your candy canes? You guys go like that. And then peel it. So let's taste this one first. Look at it. You guys want some? This one is... they're not sour either. This one tastes like a strawberry. Do you guys suck your lollipop, or do you guys eat them or chew it out? It's kind of it's kind of sweet, but it's alright. Dill pickle one, but I couldn't find it. And next we have this one, which I have no idea. So we're going to do it the same thing. You know, a long time ago, I used to just like, I did it when I was like 10, and then chew the plastic. This one's like orange. Yum. Comment down below what's your favorite. Is it the classic candy cane? Yep, this is definitely the orange. Look now guys, it's a heart. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. My dog is like technically right here. And she's looking at me look. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Pretty good. I don't know. This one's probably green apple. I'm kind of colorblind. It looks like the regular one, the orange one. Do 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 do. Apple. Let me taste it. I don't know what flavor is this. Lime? Lime? I think it's lime. This one's the best. Oh. How much calories is in here? Well, this one's the best. The lime. This one was a little bit too sweet. And this one is okay. It's too orangey for me though. But I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If I don't say it, Merry Christmas to you all. And I really appreciate your guys' support. We're on the road to 1K. Without you guys, none of this would have been possible. And, you know, just spread some holiday cheer. Comment down below if I should do, maybe like a little singing, karaoke thing with Christmas songs. Comment down below if you guys want to hear some Christmas songs. Well, Mr. Freddie Funko says happy holidays to all. And, well, you can see, happy holidays to all. And to all, good night. I appreciate you guys watching. Christmas is the time of year of giving. Not receiving, but, you know, it's cool. I always do last minute shopping though. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And make sure you turn on that bell so you will be notified when I go live. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And much love, fam. And we'll see you next time. Love ya. Bye. Bye.